Hello guys, in this video let us check out the HeyUp Boxe projector. Now this is a super compact, cute looking projector that you can buy from HeyUp website, and this is also live on Indiegogo right now, so you can go and back this project and get this projector. Now looking at the box, here you can see it shows some the basic information such as color, battery capacity, model, etc. Now unboxing the projector, you can see to the top we have this. So this has some booklets. Let's keep that to the side. Next up we have the projector itself. You can see it looks too cool. It's really nice and compact and cute. Now let me take out the box contents and show you what's inside the box. Now inside this paper booklet you can see we have stickers, user manual and the warranty card. Here you can see these are quite nice stickers and they look quite cool. Next up we have this power adapter. So guys, here you can see the adapter is rated at 60 watts, so you can use this adapter to charge this projector and also use it while charging. So here is the adapter. It's quite bulky and big. Next up inside this box we have the remote control. So unboxing we have this very nice looking white color remote with the included batteries, which is quite nice. Peeling off the plastic, you can see the remote looks quite nice. It's in white color. Just has few minimal buttons: the power button, the voice recognition, the home menu and volume, and the other menu option. Now next up we have the projector itself. You can see it's in yellow color. Looks quite nice. To the top we have the focus dial, which will help to focus the projector lens. To the sides we have the fan vent so that the projector doesn't get heated up and it stays cool while running. To the rear side you can see we have the HeyUp branding and also the fan vent to the rear, and to the top we have the USB full size port, a USB type C port, HDMI port, headphone out or speaker out, and then you have the power button too. So now let me show you once again. We just click this button for a few seconds and here you can see we get this button color here and the projector gets turned on and you will see the screen in a few moments. So as you can see, we can see the screen here and we can adjust the focus. Now let me adjust the focus. You have to adjust the focus according to the your own proper focus settings, your distance. So let me just adjust it. So here now you can see we have turned on the projector and asking to pair the Bluetooth remote control. So this is asking us to pair the home button and the menu button. So we'll press the home button. And then we should hear the beep. We press this button. You can see it says remote control successful, and it's asking for a setup. Now we can do the setup here. So we can just select the setup and we can select the time zone. So here is the time zone that I select, and now it asks for quick adjustment. So you can see it's quite nice. You can just click on quick adjustment and it will adjust. And if let me just press on left side, you can see the screen slowly moves to the left side. You can see that here, and if I just press this to the top, you can see the screen just directly moves to the top. Continue. So next thing that we have is quick adjustment. So you can see with quick adjustment you can directly quickly adjust it, which is quite nice. So you can just directly adjust the screen, and here you can see within few clicks it got adjusted pretty quickly. Now we go to next setup. So it's asking to put my Wi-Fi now. Now this is asking for my Wi-Fi password. Let me put my Wi-Fi. Now you can see that it has been set up and we are in the home screen. We can go to settings, file manager, projection, cast audio, etc., Bluetooth speaker inputs. So if we select inputs, you can see we will have the option to select the inputs here. HDMI is not connected, so it doesn't show connected. We can also use this as a Bluetooth speaker, which is quite nice. We have settings here. So your network settings, system, energy saving, security, etc., image, sound, interconnection, common, peripherals, Bluetooth. So we see there is a new update here and it's asking me to do an update. So let me do the update. So guys, now quickly let me walk you through the software. So you can see here is the launcher, and when you click this it goes to the mouse mode. You can just select the mouse mode here. Aptoid TV. Here we have Get Apps and here we have Firefox browser. Network settings, we have system settings here. This shows the device name, autoplay at boot, input, language, time, etc. So here we are saving mode, wallpaper, screensaver, theme, So here we can just choose the screensaver theme. You can use digital clock, dual clock, so let us select dial clock, and now this will be a screensaver. Automatic low power mode, reduce the low power when you are on low battery. And then you have security, you have about, you have image here. So you can see it's in movie mode. Now I can move it to eco mode, so that when you want to preserve battery you can move into eco mode. And so I plugged in the charger right now, so I can use the movie mode. We have image parameters such as you have standard, your movie mode, child mode, showy mode, sports mode, eye care mode, and then we can set a custom mode. Right, so for now we'll select the standard mode, and then we have a projection method, which is, it shows how the projection should happen: right, left, up, down, and you can just select your projection. Now after projection is selected, we have 4-point keystone correction, so I can just click on quick adjustment. You can see I just adjusted the screen like that very easily. And next, if we see, we have the sound, and you can see ketone sound is on or off, so sound effect on or off. And then sound mode, we have cinema mode, game mode, music mode, children mode. So this is the storage space that you get outside the box. And we have the software version, so you have volume to 100, and with remote you can control it easily, so you can see. And so voice function is that this will be coming soon. If we click this, you can see we have mouse mode. You can go to Firefox browser. So you can see in Firefox you have turbo mode. So turbo mode helps keeps ads off, and it'll keep the trackers off. You can just click turbo mode. Try and go to our website, which is trendyblog.net here. So here you can see I have loaded my website, and this works absolutely fine. I can read the articles, and it's quite nice. You can see how smooth it is. I can just move to different articles from here. So that's quite nice. I can just use the browser here on this projector itself. Easy. I'm playing a no copyright sound on my projector, and you can see here is the music that's playing on YouTube. Now let me increase the sound and show you how does the full volume look like. So as you guys saw, the sound is very loud and it's quite crisp, and you'll enjoy watching movies and YouTube videos on this projector. So this is one of my video of the LG monitor, and you can see the crispness is quite nice. This is playing at 1080p full HD, and this works pretty well. Control this monitor settings via the button below. You can see the sound is also quite nice, and the details are quite crisp. We can select the mode here, so you can see we can play up to 4K video. We have this Aptoid TV here, which can be used to download apps and stuff. So you can see, you can download HBO Max, Google, listen to Hotstar. You have a separate YouTube app for Android TV, so you can install that. As we were using the browser, now we can just install it directly here, and this will install the YouTube for TV app, and we can enjoy the full screen experience of YouTube on this projector. So it's asking to install now. Let it install. So it's now successfully installed. Let me open this, and now you can see this is the official YouTube app for the TV, and you can see it's quite nice. Everything works absolutely well. You can see how crisp the video is, and everything looks quite natural, and the color is on top. We installed the YouTube and another Firefox browser from the app, so you can see now these two are showing up on the launcher. So you can directly go here and choose the launcher. You can directly open it from the top, or either you can also just press the launcher button on the remote, and this will go to the launcher. So here you can see I'm on the mouse mode right now, and here is the launcher. If you want, you can just go it from here, or otherwise you can also use the mouse button, or you can use the remote launcher button to go to the launcher mode. This also has cast projection, so let me just try and cast projection, and you can see it says Android, so we can just do video projection. And now it is setting up something, and it will tell us how to get it done. So smart projector, we'll just go to our mobile smartphone, and here we'll see the smart projector. So here you can see I can see the smart projector on my smartphone here. If I click it, this will start projecting my smartphone to the projector. So click on Miracast here, and you can just start projecting your phone. So here you can see my phone has now been connected to the projector. So guys, let me now open this article here, Boxe Full HD projector, and you can see here is the article. Now this projector is live on Kickstarter. You can go and order yours. So all of the features are given here. You can just see it, what all you get inside the box, and then you can just see this article and what the HeyUp Boxe team has to say about it. The features: quiet fan, wireless speakers, blue professional DSP, immersive 3D sound, etc.
Guys, that was a video review of the HeyUp Boxe projector. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give video a thumbs up. Also check out our website, which is the trendyblog.net, for more such cool reviews. A review to this projector will be posted on our website, so check out the link in the description for more information. If you're interested in purchasing the same, link will be also in the description. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is Hari signing off, and I will catch you guys soon in my next video.